Hey there, this is Josh. Welcome to Power Math. Today we're going to be working on subtracting fractions with common and uncommon denominators. It's a very good skill. It's something you're going to need for a while, so let's get down to it. All right, I'm going to start off with some of the basics with subtracting with common denominator, or the same denominator. So if we have 4/5 minus 1/5, okay, again, we're looking at parts of the wheel, okay? I know my pictures are awful, but we all do the best we can, right? 4/5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 parts, okay? There's 4/5, so I have this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy, okay? So 4/5 minus 1/5 is, I don't know how many fifths, all right? Well, let's find out. 4/5 minus 1 of your fifths, take it away, okay, leaves us with how many fifths? Right, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3/5, okay? So we have 3/5. The denominator stays the same because we're dealing with parts of a whole. And so we're doing the subtractions with the similar denominator. All we need to do is do 4 minus 1 to get that top number, okay? Now, if this can be reduced, again, go watch a video on reducing fractions. Right now, I just want to talk about how to find this stuff, okay? Let's say the numbers aren't the same. Let's do 4/5 minus 2/3, okay? Well, if you've watched my video on adding fractions with common and uncommon denominators, it's the same rule, okay? That's the nice part about math, is a lot of the rules apply all the way through your math life, okay? So let's just figure out, you need a common denominator. You need a common thing to be working with. And so if you're good at finding the LCD, LCM, all those things that you're taught, the least common, lowest common, whatever, that's great, okay? Use that knowledge. But if you're not sure and you're just not sure what number to use, I always go back to my arrows, okay? Because it's going to work every single time. Now, if you're in a class where you can use a calculator, then this might go even faster. If you're not in a class where you can use a calculator, then just go slow, take your time. Practice those math facts, okay? You should know those. But let's use the opposite number, okay? So over here, I would use the 5, right? Because that's over here. And on this side, I'm going to use the 3. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. And again, remember the goal, the reason I'm doing this is so that my denominators are the same. I need that same denominator so I can work with the top numbers. I do the same thing over here. Oh, it's a minus. And then I have 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. And remember, I forced it to do that. So that's why I have these common denominators. And then from there, now I can subtract. Just like I did up here. I have the same denominator, so I can just do 4 minus 1 and get a 3. 12 minus 10 gives me a 2. And again, if possible, these probably can be reduced. Sometimes your book will say simplify if possible. So just check out my videos on simplifying fractions. But this is how we would subtract with a common denominator and an uncommon denominator. Thanks for watching.